Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Neha's Talent Hub. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I am very much happy that my channel has reached its first milestone, that is 1K subscribers. So thank you so much for your love and support that my channel has reached this milestone. Now we are a family of 1K. I want to introduce another section of my channel, that is So today I am going to show how to bake a chocolate ganache cake. To make a chocolate ganache cake, we need a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Take a strainer and mix all of these ingredients together as shown. For the wet mixture, take 3 large size eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of white oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all of these ingredients together with the help of hand whisk. Now add the dry mixture to the wet mixture as shown. Now take a cake tin of 6-inch size and grease it with white oil and all-purpose flour as shown. Now transfer the cake batter to the cake tin as shown. Give it a little tap. Now, in order to bake the cake, I am taking a pressure cooker and adding 3 tablespoons of salt in it and placing the stand over it. First, I am keeping it in a high flame for 10 minutes, then reducing the flame and baking it for 30 minutes. As you can see, this cake is baked perfectly. Now, demolding the cake, after it is completely cold and then keep it aside. Moving on to the next step, for the whipped cream we need 1 cup of whipping cream. Here I am using Delight topping cream. Now with the help of hand mixture I am whipping the cream. First at low speed, slowly increasing the speed. Now our whipping cream is ready. Now I am taking a piping bag and placing a star nozzle in it and filling it up with all the whipping creams. With the help of the bread knife, I am cutting the cake into 3 equal parts. Take a turnable table, place a cake base over it, apply some whipping cream and then place the first layer so that they won't fall off. Then apply the sugar syrup in order to make the cake moist. Apply a layer of whipping cream as shown. Then some chocolate ganache followed by the choco chips. Repeat the steps for the remaining 2 layers. Then apply the final layer of whipping cream to give it a crumb coat. Now decorate the cake with chocolate ganache, chocolate chips and sugar ball. Your chocolate ganache cake is ready. Hope you all enjoyed my first recipe video. If it's so, then hit that like button and comment down in the comment section below. So do subscribe my channel Neha's Talent Hub to watch more such creative and beautiful contents. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook page as well. Links are given in the description box. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.